What are the benefits of kiwi fruit? Welcome to our channel. In the world of delicious and nutritious fruits, kiwi fruit really stands out for its amazing health benefits. In this video, we will discover the miracles that kiwi fruit can do for us. From cough relief, blood sugar support, eye health and more. Kiwi fruit is truly a superfood that you cannot ignore. Learn about the amazing benefits of kiwi fruit with me. 1. Rich in vitamins C and E. Kiwi fruit, with its beautiful appearance and sweet taste, is truly a delicious source of health. In particular, kiwi is rich in vitamins C and E, vitamins with an important role in maintaining and improving our health. Vitamin C, especially present in kiwi fruit, not only helps support the body's immune system, but also has the ability to protect cells from damage and premature aging. Regular intake of vitamin C from kiwis can help reduce the risk of infections and aid post-workout recovery. Vitamin E, an important antioxidant, is also found in kiwi fruit. Vitamin E plays a role in protecting cells from the effects of free radicals, helping to maintain the health of the skin, hair and internal organs. It also supports the flexibility of blood vessels and the cardiovascular system. 2. Magnesium and potassium. Magnesium, an important mineral in kiwi fruit, plays a fundamental role in supporting the nervous system. It participates in the transmission of signals between nerve cells, helping to maintain balance and efficient functioning of the nervous system. This can help reduce stress, fatigue and improve mood. Magnesium also plays an important role in maintaining healthy bones. It participates in bone formation and maintains a strong bone structure. Getting enough magnesium from kiwi fruit can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and bone-related problems. Potassium, an important electrolyte, is also found in kiwi fruit, which helps maintain the water balance in the body, ensure cells work efficiently and maintain stable blood pressure. Maintaining potassium balance can help prevent electrolyte imbalances and protect the cardiovascular system from negative effects. 3. Effective cough relief. Kiwi fruit is a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. These elements not only help to soothe inflammatory problems in the respiratory tract, but also help relieve cough symptoms. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, strengthens the defenses against infections and inflammation, reduces the risk of cough. Kiwi fruit also contains the enzyme actinidin, which has the ability to calm inflammation in the respiratory tract and reduce irritation that causes coughing. This can help reduce the frequency and intensity of coughing, creating more comfort for the airways. 4. Improve eye health. Kiwi fruits are a rich source of essential nutrients that help maintain good vision and promote overall eye health. One of its standout ingredients is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps support the health of blood vessels in the eyes and prevents oxidative damage. This may play a role in reducing the risk of age-related conditions, like retinal degeneration. Kiwi fruit also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoid antioxidants that are extremely beneficial for eye health. These compounds are known to concentrate in the retina, where they provide protection against damaging high-energy light rays such as ultraviolet rays. By acting as a natural sunscreen for the eyes, lutein and zeaxanthin help reduce the risk of cataracts and other vision-related problems. 5. Rich in fiber, good for blood sugar. Kiwi fruit, with its characteristic sweet and sour taste and bright green color, is not only delicious but also has outstanding health benefits, especially in its role as rich in fiber and good support for blood sugar. Kiwi fruit is a valuable source of fiber, an important element for digestive health. Fiber enhances bowel function, aids digestion and prevents constipation. Regular consumption of kiwi can be beneficial for blood sugar management. The fiber in kiwi helps regulate the absorption of sugar in the blood, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. This can help people with diabetes control their blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of blood sugar complications. Thank you for taking the time to explore the amazing benefits of kiwi with us. If you find this video useful and interesting, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest health, food and life videos. We are honored to have you as part of our community. See you in the next videos.